ayat. Her question is very essential for our issue, because now Ramadan is right at the corner. So she says, must I refrain from eating and drinking when I hear the first adhan? Or can I eat until the second adhan? And some people would think, what kind of two adhans? We have only one adhan. No. For Fajr prayer, the Sunnah is to have two adhans. The adhan in Arabic means the call to prayer. So when the muezzin says, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, this is called adhan. So in all the other four prayers, in the noon, and afternoon, the sunset, and the evening, we have one adhan. And then a gap, and then just before the prayer is conducted, we have what is known as iqamah. But Fajr is it's a special case. We have two adhans. The first adhan does not allow you to pray ayat. So if you hear the first adhan, no one prays, because Fajr has not broken yet. Then why do we give the first adhan? The first adhan is given as a reminder. So if you're praying night prayer and you hear the first adhan, you remember, oh, the second adhan, which is Fajr time, is close. I have to pray my witr and conclude my prayer. And if you're asleep and you want to fast the following day and you hear the first adhan, you wake up and you have your pre-dawn meal. This means that the first adhan is just a reminder. And that is why we do not say in it, as-salatu khayrun min an-nawm. Now you can eat and drink until the second adhan is called. And this what inaugurates, this what identifies or tells you that now is the break of dawn. Now you can pray if you wish to pray Fajr prayer. And now you must refrain from eating and drinking and the rest of things that nullify your fasting. So I hope this clarifies it a little bit. We have a short break. Stay tuned, and inshallah, we'll be right back. Allah, la ilaha illa